Hello guys, it's your boy Focus FX Killer again with another FX video. If you're new on this channel, I just want to take this opportunity to welcome you to the family where we keep it Forex. So if you are a beginner trader, a struggling trader, or you just want to expand your Forex knowledge, then you are at the right place and at the right time. And to my current subscribers, we ride or die, baby. So guys, the guys that have my contact details, my WhatsApp number, that is, last week on my WhatsApp status I promised you guys that as soon as we hit 100 subscribers I drop another FX video, and at the moment we were at 83 subscribers, and now guys, guess what, we are at 163 subscribers. Guys, I don't take this for granted. I really appreciate your continued support, and it really means a lot to me. And I know some of you might not agree with me on this, but I think this is the fastest, or rather the smallest and the fastest growing FX channel here on YouTube right now. I mean, last week on Monday there was no single subscription. Literally, this channel had 0 subscriber last week on Monday. And today, as I'm recording this, we are at 163 subscribers. Who's to say that by the end of next week, the number won't have doubled, or even better, tripled? So, if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos.
But if you don't, I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
And today I'll be taking you through 2 of my best indicators that I used. Yeah, these 2 indicators, like when used well, they give you strong signals. They give you strong signals. I'm talking about Oscillator indicator and Alligator indicator. When these 2 indicators are combined, they give you a very strong divergence signal. Like they tell you that, you know what, Focus, the market has been on a downtrend, but now it's gonna, it's gonna reverse, it's gonna diverge. There's going to be a divergence, so you should look for long opportunity at this area or at this zone. So basically that's what I'm going to take you through today. So these 2 indicators, I use these 2 indicators when taking my trades, and they've helped me be profitable over my period or my journey in trading. And just to save on time, I'll just go here. So you just go on your MT4 or your MT5, depend with the trading platform that you use. So as you can see, my chart is clean. There's no indicator on the main chart or at the indicator window. So I'll just add indicator, what is it, Alligator indicator at the main chart, and awesome oscillator. Is it, there you are, awesome oscillator on the indicator window. So these 2 indicators, when combined, they give you a very strong divergence signal. What am I talking about? If you just look at the market right now, the price fell. As you all can see, the price fell on the main chart, right? The price is falling, it's forming a lower loss on the main chart, but the price is rising. The MT4, this is why I hate MT4. Come on now. Sorry guys, sorry for that. But it's rising on what? It's rising on awesome oscillator indicator window. I don't know why this Dot doesn't want to be touched. Come on. Hey. Man, I fucking hate this thing. For real. Can't touch it? So I'm wondering, how am I supposed to make a point when he doesn't want me to touch it? Okay. I think we'll just move on. So as you can see, the price is rising on the Oscillator indicator window, but it's declining and forming lower lows on your main chart. And if you look at the alligator indicator, this green line has crossed above the red line and the blue line. So when price falls on the main chart and rise on the Oscillator window, it means that there's going to be a divergence. And when there's a divergence, it means that the price or the trend is going to change or is going to shift. As you can see, the trend right now is in downtrend, right? The trend was on downtrend, going all the way down, as you can see. If I just add some, oh come on, see guys, I have to go through with these MT4 platforms. So as you can see, the trend is on downtrend, and there's been a divergence. Divergence in terms of the price has been forming lower lows on the main chart, and on the Oscillator window, it has been forming a higher high. It's been rising. So it means the price is gonna make a divergence. It's gonna change from a downtrend to an uptrend. That's a first confirmation signal that we've got from our indicator. Now, our second indicator is alligator indicator. So, how does alligator indicator works? So, when this green line cross above the red line, you enter for long opportunities. And when the red line crosses below the green line, you enter for short opportunities. When the red line crosses above green line, you enter for short opportunities. Here's an example. As you can see, not again. As you can see, this green line here has crossed above this red line. So anyone who entered a trade here, a buy position here, was in profit. He got a confirmation signal for entry when this green line crossed above this red line, indicating that it was valid for buy signals. Backed up with the divergence that has been formed when the price formed lower low on the main chart, but raised or formed a higher high on our Oscillator. So that's the tip number one that you need to know. And you can see how powerful these indicators are when combined together. So let me show you another example. I don't want you guys to say that he's lucky, he's just gone to a trade that is already rising. Guys, okay. Another good example is where, let's look for another example. Yeah, I think this is a good example here. So like I was saying, when using alligator indicator, as you can see, the red line crossed above the the green line, indicating that sellers had taken over the market, pushing buyers aside. And as you can see, the price made a very impulsive move down. You see this impulsive move, yeah, and it continued. Price continued falling till this zone, when now the buyers took over the market. You can see the green line has crossed above the red line. So basically, that's how alligator indicator works. Now, how do you combine alligator indicator with oscillator to give you a strong signal for a buy or for a sell opportunity? Oscillator, it gives you what? It gives you a divergence signal. Divergence, when there's a divergence, means that the price will change the direction of the trend. So, as you can see, the price is falling. How come when I draw a trend line on the indicator window, it doesn't want to be touched? It makes it hard for me to draw. But it's easier when I'm drawing on the main chart. Anyway, as you can see, the price is falling. But if you go on your window, I think I'd just be using like arrows. Yeah, they make perfect sense. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly do so. I promise to be delivering good content, good forex content for you, because I believe
The price is
we are all
forming
here
higher
to win,
lows.
right? So the price is forming and it's falling on the oscillator, meaning there's gonna be a divergence. And another signal that I've seen here, it's the dominant sell here. You see these three lines, or these three red candles, these three bearish candles. 1, 2, 3. They've closed above and below our previous bull candle. I'm talking about this candle, this blue candle here. So this is a dominant break sell. And when there's a dominant break sell, it means that the price is going to be on a long-term sell position. So anyone entering sell position here is going to be basically what I'm trying to communicate here, it's that you can use price pattern, the patterns that are formed by the candles, like to confirm your entries. So you see, I have like three confirmation here to enter for a sell position. The first confirmation is the price declining on oscillator and rising on the main chart. And on the alligator indicator, the red line crossing above the green line. And also, these three, you can see these three, there's a dominant break sell where three bearish candles break above one bull candle. Also here, we have dominant break sell, three bull candles, breaks and close above one bull candle, as you can see here. So those are three signals combined. And if you entered a sell position here, trust me, you'd be in deep profit right now because the price fell down kama kitu ingine. You see, you have 3 confirmation for sell entry position. So ukiingia kwa market, the price ina melt. The price ina melt. As you can see, the price will melt kama hey, look at this, the way the price melted until when it created a divergence here. Now let us go to another pair. I don't want you guys to say, you're just using Ikum. We just not you. Let's go to NZD. So NZD can just go back. Let us go back. Okay, I can see here. So I'll just show you the price has been falling on the main chart, but it has been rising on our oscillator. What does that mean? It means that there's a formation of divergence. And what does divergence means? Divergence means that there's going to be a change of market direction. If the market was on uptrend, it's going to change from uptrend to downtrend. If it's on downtrend, it's going to change from downtrend to uptrend. So as you can see here, we've got our divergence, and also the green line here has crossed above the red line, indicating that buyers are now taking over. And as you can see, the price rallied up there. Yeah. The price rallied up. So you see, like, I could go on and on and on and on and on, over and over and over and over and over and over and over again, like showing you how these indicators work. They don't just occur on uptrend only. No, they also occur on downtrend. Like on the previous pair that I was in, I showed you guys the first example, the divergence and the green line crossing above the red line occurred when the price was on a downtrend. You see, and if I can just go here again. Okay, yeah, here. The price forming lows, price falling, price rising, the price is rising. Then it's going to be a divergence. The price is going to rally up. It's going to change direction from a downtrend to an uptrend. And as you can see, the line, the green line crossed over the red line, and yeah, you enter a position, you get your profit, you get out of the market, and you trade tomorrow. Yeah, so guys, basically that's how these two indicators work. That's how these two indicators work. And if you use them well, you're really going to be you are going to be executing like profitable trades over and over and over and over again. You just have to know how each indicator works and their significance in the market and what they're trying to communicate with you. And if you know this information, then trust me, you guys, you don't stand a chance of losing any of your trades. Sorry for the noisy background. So guys, I don't want to waste most of your time going over and over and over and over and over these indicators. I've just given you an idea of how to trade these indicators and how they work. So now it's upon you to go on your, when the market closes, you just go on your chart and you try to backtest what I've just taught you guys. Yeah. So you backtest what I've taught you guys, and yeah, that's how one become profitable. You don't just become profitable overnight without any training, without consistency, without practicing. No, you practice and practice and practice and practice till you become good at whatever it is that you're doing. The alligator indicator has given me a confirmation signal because the red line has crossed above the green line, indicating that sellers have taken over the market. You see? So try to master at least 3 indicators. Just try to master at least 3 indicators, guys. Because having knowledge on more than 2 indicators, it gives you like it gives you added advantage because you know what they mean. But imagine going to trade and you don't have any basic knowledge of any indicator. The indicator is telling you to sell and you're buying. The indicator is telling you to buy and you're selling. What do you expect? You're just gonna keep on blowing your account over and over and over again and again and again and again and again. So guys, practice, 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 practice until you become perfect. So guys, until then,
Wait a minute.
good night and take care of yourself.
Who are
We'll
you?
meet on another video.